So a customer came in for a new windscreen in this Pajero, complained about wind noise. That there is rather narrow. It probably explains why when I took the rubber out, this whole side of the window moved. Not something you want to experience. But yes, that would be the cause of your wind noise. So we're going to clean that up and attach it properly. New window. Hopefully success. Hopefully. But yeah, like you can see it came out here a bit and big bulge of the Sikaflex there. And then it just bulges out like crazy here. It's pretty bad. And that isn't meshed together the best. Oh well. Fix it now.